All right, so this is the first time we're gonna be actually moving the 48 forward. That's just some water leakage out of the overflow that you see underneath. We still have to service the radiator. We have to get new radiator hoses, put antifreeze in it, all that good stuff. But we just wanna see if it goes into gear, which it does. And she moves. And that's the e-brake. Bye! It works. It stops her.
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah, let's get everything out of the way. So we are driving the car under the power of the e-brake right now. That's why you hear all the skidding. My dad's just testing it to make sure that it's actually going to stop the car. Again, this is the first time it's moved under its own power in many years. So just going to take it out in the back where we have some space. And we're just going to try a few things. Like he said, he just keeps checking the brake to make sure everything's kosher. We just did some disking back here, so it's very dusty. Do it again! Come on, I missed it! Do it again! That was good! Quiet as a mouse. Sarah.
Looks good with the skirts on it.
Yeah, it does.
I need to blow in dust.
All it needs now is white walls.
Yep.
That's what that car really needs.
Love it.
Nice and slow.
Yeah.
Steer.
Uh-huh. Still does it.
You're on restriction! Hands over the keys!
No phone for a week.
She's a beauty. She is a beaut. And she still burns them.
Man's on restriction.
Look how dusty it is.
Light them up.
Oh my gosh.
You still ain't so big I
going on the video. Just so everybody knows, it's going in the video. All right, I need to get a picture for the thumbnail. All right, guys, so that's the close of our video today. We're just cleaning the concrete pad where it's gonna go back. And as you can see, she runs, drives, and moves under her own power. So now we're gonna start ordering all the brake parts from Caddy Daddy. I don't know if we're gonna do a disc brake conversion on this one yet, or if we're gonna drive it for a while with the stock brakes done. We'll see. But very exciting today, a lot of progress. Glad that she runs, moves, and stops with the e-brake, but still runs and moves, so everything's been serviced. Hopefully, we wanted to get to something on the hearse today, but it's already 6:30 in the evening on Sunday, so we're gonna call it and spend the rest of the night together. So thank you guys for watching and always tuning into the channel. Have a blessed Sunday, everybody. Take care.